Another major rule is difference in tax liability versus R1 versus 3B. Now, most of you must have received ASMT 10, audit notice, investigation notice, and the most common issue which you would be finding is R1 versus 3B, 2A versus 3B. Now, if there is a difference between R1 and 3B, in the Act, the officer have been provided the power to directly initiate a recovery. Means they don't need to intimate you. They don't need to give you an opportunity to explain the difference. The difference may be clerical or it may be actual difference. Whatever may be the reason, they can straight away initiate the recovery. If you would be knowing, recently they have issued an advisory for bank account validation. The reason for issuing that advisory for bank account validation was to make sure the bank detail which you have given is active and it is the bank which you are using for your day-to-day business, so that when they initiate the recovery, it should not be a case that your bank account doesn't have a good balance. That's the reason that advisory was issued and they have started initiating bank account validation. Because in certain cases, it has been happened that the bank account detail which has been given, either it has become inoperative or inactive. So the officer were not able to recover the amount, even by doing initiating the recovery notices. So you need to be careful. You have to make sure now compliance of 1 and 3B and 2B versus 3B or 2A versus 3B is so important that any month, even a simple clerical error of adding a 10 will have adverse scenario or will have major impact on your day-to-day business running. Though this rule has still not been effective, but multiple ASMT 10s have been issued on the basis of R1 and 3B.